Okay, this is a video on how to charge the computer. This is it in the morning. It's got these two cables plugged in. They're unplugged first thing when he wakes up in the morning. At night, make sure the other end is plugged into a wall socket. The safest one is probably the desk right next to his bed. So I'm going to go ahead and plug that in. This right here is where the charger usually gets plugged in. And make sure both USB ports are in that square charger. There's a little white light that's on. And then the cable is in the sheath here. It can stay coiled up on the desk here, not on top of the glasses. And it can be brought out to charge the device. Okay, so that's plugged in. Cable comes around and around the back. And you see there's a green charger. It's got a little B on it on the top, teeth on the bottom, B on the top. That goes into the green charge port right here. That's micro USB, standard 5-volt micro USB. Just goes in right like that. This one right here is lightning cable, also standard 5-volt. That goes into the charge port on the side here. I'm just going to show you what it looks like when it's charging. So on the screen here, I'm going to log in. Give me 1 second here. Okay. When we zoom in here, you can see the little battery icon. It's like 96% full right now. That's fine. It's been really well charged. At night, it's going to be, right before Rick goes to bed, it's going to be more depleted. So when we charge in the charging port, the lightning port into the pink charge slot, there's going to be a little lightning bolt. The lightning bolt appears on that battery icon. That lets you know that everything's properly connected. If the lightning bolt doesn't appear there, just check to make sure that the pink charging port is in there snugly. You can also double check this black one, that's pushed in snugly. Do that after you check the power outlet and make sure that the power brick is snugly into the wall. There's also a little white light on the power brick, so make sure the little white light is on if you're in doubt of the power coming to the device. The speaker can be turned off at night. There's a power button on top of the speaker. Just hold that down a couple seconds.
Power off.
And it'll turn the power off. So that can be left off at night when you're charging it. The little red light there on top, that tells you that it's charging if you see that little red light. Then in the morning, unplug the charger. You see the red light disappeared there for the green charger for the speaker. Unplug the charger from the lightning charger here. And you're going to hold the power button a couple seconds on the speaker.
Power on.
Blue light comes on, power on, switches back to red. And yeah, and this, you'll see the lightning bolt disappear. And should be good to go, it's all charged up.